Hi there. Welcome back from spring break. I hope everybody's ready for the last quarter of the school year. I know I am, definitely. My name is Todd Kramer. I'm the instructional technology resource teacher over at Stafford Middle School, and I want to welcome all of you to our class. This class is called Collaboration and Creativity, Digital Tools You Might Not Know About, but that you should. And I'm hoping that over the next few weeks, you're going to be exposed to some tools that you want to try in your class. Definitely want you to be using some of these tools. I know a lot of times we take PD and we don't get a chance to really try out what we learn, or we just kind of go through the motions. So definitely throughout this course, I want you to be able to pick and choose tools that you learn about and that you can actually try and put into action. Otherwise, what's the point, right? So first thing for this week, we are going to be getting to a tool, but before we can do that, I need you to go to Google Classroom. Once you're on Google Classroom, and by the way, if you've never been to Google Classroom before, it's classroom.google.com. Make sure you log in with your SCPS, your Stafford Schools account, and then you'll need to click to join a class. It should be in the upper right corner of the screen. Then it will ask you for a class code. This is your class code. This will also be in the email, so don't feel like you have to try to write this down right this second. The class code is TLDYGV5. You'll type that in, and that will bring you to our class page, which I'm going to jump back to here real quick. On our class page, this is where we'll be posting all of the videos, any sort of handouts that we might make. I'm going to try to stick mostly with videos, but if there is a need for handouts, links to resources you might need, etc. You'll see that there's a welcome message from me here about the PDS. And then underneath that will be the first topic, which is going to be a website called Padlet. Now, on the left side of the screen, you're going to see there's all sorts of different topics. These are the topics that right now I'm thinking we're probably going to cover. There may be others that we add. And again, what I'm trying to do with you all is focus on one digital tool a week. So for this week, it's going to be on Padlet. So any sort of resources that I create for Padlet for you, or any sort of training documents, etc., those will be found underneath the topic on the left. So if you've never used Google Classroom before, everything shows up here in the middle in what's called the stream. But if you don't want to have to scroll all the way through the stream to try to find something, or maybe we're 3 or 4 weeks into the class and you want to go back and find something, all you have to do, guys, is click on the left side on the name of that tool, and it will pull up any of the resources that I've made for you. So again, first thing you need to do to get started, go to Google Classroom, make sure you put in that code, join our class, go ahead and read through this week's information, and there'll be a video for this week, and then there's going to be an assignment right here about Padlet. Just before you freak out, when I use the word assignment, the assignments throughout this PDS are going to be short, and they're going to be for you to actually get your hands dirty and working with whatever tool we're using that week. So don't get too nervous about the word assignment. Anyway, welcome back from spring break. Hope to see all of you guys here in the next few days.